Hello everyone, my name is Disha. Let's talk about the prominent topic, that is social field. There are two main questions. First is there need of professionalism in this field, and another is what is the leading trend today, professionalization or deprofessionalization. But first understand the scenario. Social field is a field where anyone can relate themselves with this. If you want to jump in this field, and you can jump in this field with experience, ideas, solutions, related degree. But don't misunderstand that working in this field is very easy, or it is something that you can attract popularity or fame. But it is not that much easy, because here you have to deal with so many kinds of people from different background, different culture, different ideologies. And here there are two qualities matter. The first is emotional resilience. That kind of flexibility, that kind of flexible mind you need. Another is self management, that you must know how to manage yourself. Also it is at mental level, at intelligent level. This is the in this field, social issues are never ending. If you try to solve one issue, then you will see the another rising issue which is exactly same as the old issue. So here you need consistency in your work. You can say that yeah, it is okay if you don't have professionalism. Why there is a need of professionalism? But yes, there is, because being a social worker for your organization, you need either investment or either donation, and both for investment and donation, you have to maintain the professionalism. How you are representing your organization through different mediums, or if you if you want to attract donation, then how you are representing your work through the media. So in all these things you need professionalism. Professionalism matters. Yes, there are some areas where you don't need extreme professionalism. You have to work, you have to balance both the professionalism, as I quoted before, that personal, sometimes personal issue turns into social issue. So you must know how to, you must aware where to be a professional and where to be not professional. So this is important to know. Another thing is communication and team building. So if you know how to lead. Another thing is, if you know how to follow, why to follow, and to whom to follow. Then and the third part is communication. You must know. You must be aware about the intention of your communication, for what you are communicating, what should be the product of your communication, and then choosing the medium of communication. So for all these things you need professionalism. So now this is a time to rethink on the methodology. What kind of methodology we are using for social work. There is another idea about social business. Already some organizations are doing their social business. But yeah, if you want to run your organization for a long term period, and you must need you must have some kind of planning about this about this social business. Because so being a social worker and working in the social organization, you have always a responsibility on your shoulders, that how we are going to tackle this issue. So if anything is needed, if any good thing is needed, then must do it. Thank you.